Frank here at Riverhead Building Supply. I just want to show you on this house, we provided every product that you see here. So whether it's a intricate custom build like you see, or you're doing just an extension on your house, maybe a pool house, just replacing some windows and doors, we can provide whatever you need here at Riverhead Building Supply. I'm a millwork specialist, so I supply windows just like these, interior doors and exterior doors. I work with both customers, homeowners, and builders alike to find whatever their visions and dreams are and make it a reality. We get pulled into projects similar to this when we have custom grills like you see up here in the top of the windows. We match custom colors like on the outside, exterior trim, anything that has intricate designs, as well as simpler projects where a customer is just looking to have an extension on their home or a pool house built. So here at Riverhead, whether a customer has a set of plans or they need us to come out to the job site and do some on-site measuring of their windows or doors, we can provide that level of detail as well as grill designs and also custom colors that they need to match with their house. On a project like this, we would definitely want to get the Marvin sales rep involved. He helps us out with aligning windows that are on different floors, as well as custom grill designs, making sure it's all within the envisionment of the architect and the homeowner. Any project's a large project, so getting the Marvin rep involved is just another service that we provide here at Riverhead Building.